Have you ever noticed your cat licking and licking and licking the same spot over and over again? It might seem like just a quirky habit, but what if I told you it could be a silent cry for help? Today, we're diving deep into the world of feline over-grooming, a behavior that often leaves owners puzzled and cats with bald patches. We'll uncover why your cat might be licking away its fur, and most importantly, what you can do to help them. First things first, what exactly is over-grooming? The technical term is psychogenic alopecia. It happens when a cat's normal grooming behavior becomes excessive, compulsive, and even self-destructive. Instead of a gentle cleaning, it turns into intense licking, chewing, or pulling at their fur, often leading to hair loss, skin irritation, and sometimes even open sores. The most common areas you'll see this are on their belly, the insides of their legs, and along their sides places they can easily reach. So, why do they do it? You might be surprised to learn that the #1 culprit is often stress. Yes, just like us, cats get stressed out, and grooming is one of their go-to coping mechanisms. It releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that help them relax. But when the stress becomes chronic, the grooming can spiral out of control. What could be stressing your cat out? The list is longer than you might think. A major change in the household, like a new baby, a new pet, or even just rearranging the furniture, can throw them for a loop. A move to a new house is a huge stressor. Boredom is another big one. If your cat doesn't have enough mental and physical stimulation, they might turn to over-grooming to pass the time. Think about it from their perspective. Their world is all about routine and territory. When that gets disrupted, their anxiety can skyrocket. But wait, before you assume it's all in their head, it's crucial to rule out medical causes. In fact, many vets will tell you that a physical issue is often the root cause, and the stress is a secondary reaction to the discomfort. Skin allergies are a massive trigger. Your cat could be allergic to something in their food, pollen, dust mites, or even flea saliva. A single flea bite can cause an intense allergic reaction in some cats, leading to frantic scratching and licking. Other medical problems could include parasites like mites, fungal infections like ringworm, or even pain. A cat with arthritis might excessively lick a sore joint. A cat with a urinary tract infection might lick their lower abdomen because it's a source of pain and discomfort. That's why the absolute first step, if you notice, over-grooming is a trip to the vet. They can run tests to check for fleas, allergies, skin infections, and other underlying health problems. Don't skip this step. It's the most important one. Okay, so you've been to the vet. Let's say they've ruled out any major medical issues, or they've started treatment for something like allergies, but the licking continues. Now we can focus on the behavioral and environmental side of things, tackling that stress we talked about earlier. The key here is creating a calm, stable, and enriching environment for your cat. Let's start with enrichment. A bored cat is a stressed cat. Interactive playtime is non-negotiable. Get out the feather wands, the laser pointers safely, of course, and the crinkle balls. Aim for at least 2 15-minute play sessions every day. This mimics their natural hunting instincts and helps them burn off physical and mental energy in a positive way. Food puzzles are another fantastic tool. Instead of just dumping kibble in a bowl, make them work for it. This engages their brain and provides a rewarding challenge. You can also increase their vertical space. Cats love to be up high. Cat trees, shelves, and window perches give them a safe place to observe their territory and escape from any household chaos, whether it's the dog, the kids, or another cat. Next, let's talk about maintaining a predictable routine. Cats thrive on predictability. Try to feed them, play with them, and clean their litter box around the same times each day. This sense of security can dramatically lower their anxiety levels. If you're planning a big change, like bringing home a new pet, do it gradually. Use scent, swapping, and slow, supervised introductions to make the transition as smooth as possible. Sometimes you need a little extra help. Pheromone diffusers like Feliway can be incredibly effective. These plugins release a synthetic copy of the feline facial pheromone, which is the calming scent cats leave when they rub their cheeks on you or the furniture. It basically sends a signal to their brain that the environment is safe and secure. You can also find calming collars or sprays that work similarly. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine Sarah, who recently started a new job with longer hours. She noticed her cat, Mittens, had started licking a bald spot on her belly. Sarah's vet found no medical cause. The problem, Mittens, was lonely and bored. Sarah implemented a new routine, a vigorous play session in the morning, a food puzzle left out during the day, and another play session right when she got home. She also set up a bird feeder outside a window where Mittens had a comfy perch. Within a few weeks, the obsessive licking decreased and Mittens' fur started to grow back. It was a combination of burning off energy and providing mental stimulation that made all the difference. Another common scenario involves conflict between cats. If you have multiple cats and one is over-grooming, watch their interactions closely. Is one cat bullying the other? Are they competing for resources? Make sure you have enough litter boxes. The rule of thumb is 1 per cat, plus 1 extra. Also, ensure there are multiple feeding stations, water bowls, and favorite sleeping spots so no one feels they have to fight for resources. This reduces competition and stress. In more severe cases of anxiety, your vet might suggest anti-anxiety medication. This isn't a first-line treatment, but for cats with deep-seated compulsive behaviors, it can be a lifesaver. Medication can help lower their anxiety enough for them to be receptive to behavioral and environmental changes. Think of it as a tool that helps break the cycle of stress and licking, giving you a window to build new, healthier habits. It's important to be patient. Fur doesn't grow back overnight, and changing a compulsive behavior takes time. Celebrate the small victories. Maybe your cat only licked for 5 minutes today instead of 10. That's progress. Never punish your cat for over. This will only add to their stress and likely make the behavior worse. Instead, if you catch them in the act, gently redirect their attention with a toy or a treat. To recap, if your cat is going bald from licking, your action plan is simple. Step 1. Vet. Visit. Rule out all medical causes like allergies, parasites, and pain. Step 2. Enrich their environment. More play, more puzzles, and more vertical space. Step 3. Create stability. Stick to a routine and manage social dynamics in a multi-pet home. Step 4. Consider calming aids. Pheromone diffusers can work wonders. Step 5. Be patient and positive. Redirect, don't punish. Watching your beloved pet engage in self-harming behavior is heartbreaking, but remember, you are their best advocate. By understanding the root causes and taking these proactive steps, you can help your furry friend feel safe, happy, and comfortable in their own skin and fur. They rely on you to decode their behavior and make their world a better place. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pet care tips. Have you ever dealt with an over-grooming cat? Share your experiences and what worked for you in the comments below. Let's help each other out. See you in the next video.